Hey, we will talk about the present simple. We use the present simple for routines, facts, and general truths. Examples: I read a book every night. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The earth revolves around the sun. We show how to use present simple for positive. The verb takes an s, es, or ies ending for the subjects he, she, it. The verb is used in its base form for the subjects I, you, we, they. Examples: I eat dinner, watch TV, and study math after school. He eats dinner, watches TV, and studies math after school. We show how can use simple present for negative. The subjects I, you, we, they take don't before the verb. The subjects he, she, it take doesn't before the verb. The subject is always in its base form in negative sentences. Example: I don't like broccoli. My sister doesn't like it either. We show how to use simple present for question. The subjects I, you, we, they take do before them. The subjects he, she, it take does before them. The subject is always in its base form in questions. Examples: Do you speak German? Does she speak German? Thank you so much, and we will see next week with another vocabulary.